So this is a tutorial on how to connect your Vercel to Supabase. Here we've created a news blog using a World News API. So here, you don't need to publish anything. The API we use will fetch news for us. So we are using a World News API, which it will fetch news for us. So once this site have published their news, your blog will automatically um fetch the news for us. So to fetch it all this news in real time, we need to connect it to Supabase using the edge function. So to connect it to Supabase, you go to your settings, then integration. Once click on integration, you go to create. It's loading. So you accept the terms and condition, accept and create. Once that is done, so it will fetch us plan. So you come here and choose the free plan. You can leave it or you can just remain it. Let's rename it to blog. Blog. So let's create it here. Blog news. Blog news. So let's create it. It's still processing it. So it's done. So our blog is fully connected to Supabase. So now you prompt it to connect the API to Supabase. Connect the API to Supabase. So wait for it to connect it. Now this will allow the API to fetch the news in real time. So allow the API to fetch the news in real time. So any of the users using your site will get real time news updates. So to make it function properly, you need to apply this Supabase table here, which has been applied. So you allow it. So when it has been applied, then it starts creating it with Supabase. So our site has been connected to Supabase, so your user gets real-time information, real-time news, unlike before, which it wasn't connected to Supabase. So the news gets updated instantly. Immediately it's being posted on the news sites. Your site pulls it and then it shows on your own site. As you can see, different news. It will always show. So that's just it. So the next tutorial will be showing you how to use other features of the Supabase on your Vercel. So as you can see, it's a news blog. You don't need to do anything. It's just to look for a nice template and connect the API. Although the API is free, but it has its own limitation. And this is the World News API we are using. As you can see, this is our daily quota. So we are using the free version. So it has its own limitations. So if you need to create a news blog, you can just use the news board API to create your own news blog and turn it into a mobile app. So that's just it. That's how it works. So to connect your Supabase to your Vercel, you don't really need much work. Although you need to do some fixing. It doesn't work instantly. You need to fix some things. Well, that's just it for now.